Everyone's talking about ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Notion AI. But under the surface, there's a whole different layer of AI tools. These are the tools that don't go viral. The tools that quietly save you hours of work. The ones that honestly feel like a cheat code. You're going to want to stay to the end because tool number 3 replaces an entire workflow. Let's start with tool number 1, Harpa AI. This one hides in plain sight. Harpa AI lives right inside your browser, Chrome, Edge, Brave, you name it. It watches the page you're on, and then it acts on it. Here's what that means in practice. You're reading a super long article? Click one button, and it summarizes the whole thing. You're on YouTube? It pulls the key ideas without you having to watch the full video. You're on a product page? It compares prices, finds alternatives, and even highlights potential red flags. But here's the really crazy part. It can automate tasks across websites. Think about monitoring price drops, tracking job listings, watching what your competitors are doing, and getting alerted the moment something changes. All of this with no coding, no scripts. You just set the rules. Most people use AI after they copy and paste something. HARPA removes that step completely. And trust me, this is just a warm-up. Because tool number 2 feels like mind reading. This next one, Rewind AI, scares people. But in a good way. Rewind records everything you do on your computer. Your screens, your tabs, your meetings, your documents. Then, it makes it all searchable with AI. Just think about that. You forgot where you read something? Rewind finds it. You remember a specific sentence, but not the file it was in? Rewind pulls it right up. You were on a Zoom call last week? Just ask the AI, what was discussed? And you get an instant summary. It's like having Command plus F for your entire digital life. And no, your data doesn't go to the cloud. It stays local on your machine. Once you start using it, your brain just relaxes. You stop needing to take frantic notes. You stop bookmarking everything. You just work. But wait, the next tool doesn't help you remember. It helps you decide. And this is where things get really powerful. Most task apps are just glorified to-do lists. Taskade is different. It lets you create multiple AI agents, each with a specific role. For example, you could have one agent that plans your week, another that breaks down your big goals, one that does research, and one that checks for mistakes. And the best part? They talk to each other. You give it one simple prompt, like plan a YouTube video. Suddenly, one agent writes the outline, another improves the hook, a third agent optimizes for viewer retention, and another suggests titles for you, all inside one single workspace. No more app switching, no more prompt chaos. This is what people think AI workflows look like, but almost no one is actually using them this way. Once you do, you stop working alone. You're essentially managing a team that never sleeps. And here's the twist. Most people misuse AI. They ask it to think for them. These tools, they think with you. Here's the real secret. The best AI tools aren't loud. They're quiet, invisible, and deeply integrated. They don't replace your job. They just remove the friction. And we are still so early. In the next year, the gap won't be between people who use AI and people who don't. It'll be between people who use surface-level AI and those who build AI directly into their workflow. If you want a part 2 with tools that even fewer people know about, make sure to subscribe. Because the next list, most creators won't even touch it. And trust me, there's a reason for that.